So there have been rumors that the Model S and Model X are going to be refreshed. And these rumors come from a well-known Tesla hacker. He's dug into Tesla software in the past to find clues about the future. For example, he has successfully predicted battery updates and new suspension versions along with stuff like that. On January 24th, 2020, he released some new updates that could come to Tesla. These hardware include an integrated inductive phone charger for S and X cars, or in other words, a wireless charger that's integrated into the car. Along with this, two new S and X battery types in several configurations, so this means there could be a higher range on the Tesla Model S and X. There's also going to be a new lumbar, so this could possibly mean new seats, a new charge port type, which many suspect to be wireless charging. To top it off, he also speculates that there will be a new suspension version. Now, the biggest piece of information inside here is that the Model S and X battery types have a handful of configurations. This means we could see all sorts of upgrades to Tesla's specs. I'm talking about acceleration, faster charging, higher range, higher top speed, and all sorts of things like that. And this is of course all coming from Tesla's acquisition of Maxwell Technologies on May 16th, 2019. Looking back, it was definitely a great acquisition by Elon Musk, as it allows Tesla to keep a competitive advantage over other automakers. And another big mention that came inside this leak was the phone charger. This is a clue of a long rumored interior refresh for the Model S and X. If they were to integrate a new charger inside the Model S and X, that means they could be changing the design inside the Model S and X. Tesla didn't respond to requests for comments, so again, we aren't sure if this is true, and it wouldn't be smart for Elon Musk to tell everyone that there's going to be a Model S and X refresh. This would totally decrease sales in the short term, as no one would buy the old Model S and X, rather they would wait for the refresh. Some also speculate that it could be the Model S that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has spoken of a summer date to roll out the Model S Plaid that has a tri-motor powertrain. So the sedan that I'm talking about is the same sedan that spent time testing against the Porsche Taycan Turbo. In my opinion, this is definitely lesser of the rumors. I do think there are going to be updates to the Tesla Model S and X, and these are just components of that update. Tesla has routinely refreshed its models with new tweaks and configurations, but the last one for the Model S was in 2016. So we do think it's time for changes. The sales are definitely decreasing. And even last year, there were sightings of a possible Model S refresh on the streets, but Elon Musk already confirmed that this was the higher performance Plaid Model S, the tri-motor that is supposed to arrive this year with larger battery packs than the current model. So let me know what you guys think. Are there going to be new exterior designs for the Model S and X? New internal designs? Do you think there's going to be a better range? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed. Hope to see you in another video.